Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change reminder on a vehicle. So I'm going to get it into the ignition, into start. Just push it over to the third position there. And for this vehicle, you have to push in the accelerator 3 times. Okay, so you see, oil change required, already did that. I have to push in the accelerator 3 times within 10 seconds, all the way down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to cut it off. Okay, now I'm going to cut the vehicle on. It should have cleared it. Let's check it. Now I'm going to go through my messages. Good, it's cleared. Alright guys, we reset the oil change reminder. Thanks for watching.